Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. This is a matte black pre-primed 16 by 20 inch canvas. And some Decoart Americana 24 karat gold. This was opened a second ago. This is some Crimson Lust with a little bit of Holly Berry and Dancing Fuchsia added to it. Speaking of Dancing Fuchsia, let's just do some of that. And I want some white metallic to make sure it shows up. And I've got some Anita's black metallic. I got some water too. Got some frozen amethyst. And some actual frozen. I've got to start somewhere, so this is where I'm going to start. I may probably use some kind of mark making apparatus. Figure at the very least this is going to be an interesting start. Background. Yes, I dribbled. And I didn't realize I had plenty of paint. I guess I do now. It's not going to keep me from wanting some more though. That was frozen again. I think I'm going to go for the frozen amethyst as well. But I've also got Midnight Shadow. Light coating. I'll be interested to see how any of this dries on this black canvas. Having the white metallic ought to help a lot. I definitely thought I would be using a toothy tool, and I'm not done thinking that either. I don't want to change this. I like that little spot there, and the rest of the black also. I can always carve paint away, but then I have to decide what, if anything, I want to do with the residuals, which in this case is kind of fun so far, so maybe it's not a problem. Looks like a weaving. And like I said, I've got other texture tools. And because there's GAC 800 in all of my paints, if there's little puddles places, I can just allow them to dry and not worry about it. Which is probably exactly what's going to happen. I might be done with this very, very soon. Just because I like how it looks right now. I can still use my nail art tool. Got a big puddle of purple in the middle, probably take a while to dry. But I don't know that I care. Well, there might be other stages, but for now I think I'm done. I say that, but you can never trust me. Because once I'm having fun, I don't really want to stop. But I don't think it really needs much else. I'm going to do a little bit of this Michaels tool. See how I like it. I don't think it needs it. But it didn't hurt anything either. There's something very pleasurable about just plopping your brush down and lifting it up and getting a mark. Or removing paint. Let's see if there's anything else that I need. Somewhere here I thought I had a small brush, but I bet it's in the bucket. These marks will be subtle no matter what, because it's mostly mixing the black metallic. Well, we'll see what tomorrow brings. I like it like it is, so that's working for me. Even with that little dancing fuchsia in the center, which will probably stay nice and bright, which I'm hoping I'm correct about that. Thank you for being here. Thank you for the compliments that keep my morale boosted. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. I really appreciate you guys being here. If you watch longer or watch some of the commercials or make a comment, those things are all super helpful to me. My creative playlists are on my YouTube channel. And if you go to my YouTube channel banner, you'll find the PayPal icon. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links on my link tree. My community board will show you tomorrow's videos. If you have questions or you want the paint pouring recipe, ask me questions. It will. The paint pouring recipe is below Show More. When you click Show More, you're going to find my email address. Thank you for everything. Shop my Amazon link, please. You can buy anything you want from there. And my 2 books are there, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, volumes 1 and 2. Thank you again for being here. I love you guys dearly. You inspire the heck out of me. Bye for now. Priscilla out.